because I am Christopher Nicholas who won Morning Cup for Tivoli Garden High School. Understand?
Yes, people, before we get into this Morning Cup feature, don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment under the video. Hit the big red subscribe button. And why else I want them to, bro?
I want them to share the video to at least 10 people. Ensure that they get us at least 6 subscribers. Because if each one of you guys can bring us 6 subscribers, you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day?
Yes, people, it's Morning Cup team feature time again, and today we're at Tivoli Gardens High School. I know the practice. You know the code.
Is that good at it?
You have to look for the matter and see what they're teaching.
No, but speaking of study enters into one's living.
I don't mind that one. I don't mind that one. It's one of the better ones.
Yeah.
So bro, what are we going to do today? What do you expect from this feature?
We expect to see in our school, in our an inner city school that might have boys who are faced with challenging circumstances. However, a football early morning is a way for them to get away, and we just love to see them in their element. You know, also the coach has recently been building to a point where Tivoli can be one of the more formidable schools in the Morning Cup. So I'd love to see that in action. I'd love to see that organism working as it is in its natural state.
Two things I want to say. I want to speak to the coach about his relationship with the boys, you know, being from an area like this. And I also want to talk to him about the disqualification last year. Yeah, that was a big, scandal in the Morning Cup, and we need to get into it, bro. But yeah, people, this is a Morning Cup feature on Tivoli Gardens High School. Stay tuned if you want to see more. Let's go.
Here right now with head coach, Tivoli Gardens High School. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Christopher Nicholas, I'm the coach of Tivoli Garden High School.
Alright, so Christopher Nicholas, are you a familiar face with the Tivoli High School team or is this a new project?
Absolutely a familiar face.
How long have you been involved with the program?
Since I don't want to tell you say coaching, I want to say be involved in the program from playing. Because I am Christopher Nicholas who won Morning Cup for Tivoli Garden High School. Understand? And come now, never ever leave the program, even playing Premier League for the community, still here with the program, but on and off with the Jamaica program and thereabout and things. But now, up now, I'm ready full time coaching. So we are here from about coaching about say like 4 years now.
Alright, and how you found the job? Official coaching gig.
It's a joy, it's a pleasure, it's what I love. It's what I love. So I enjoy every moment of it. It's what I love and it's where I'm from. So I love every single moment of it.
Alright, so Daniel what? 17-year-old Tivoli Garden High School. Speak to us about your role in the Morning Cup team.
I play attacking midfield.
And being the captain of Tivoli Gardens High School, what does that role entail? Tell me about some of the things that you have to do being the captain.
Well, you have to ensure the players are on time, on the field at the right time, and not change.
And as a 17-year-old, this is the under-19 competition. Do you feel any pressure? Being just able to play in the Morning Cup?
No, it's not. It's not any pressure. I'm doing
I'm Mauricio One, the Tivoli Gardens striker.
And how old are you?
17 years of age.
Right. How long have you been at Tivoli Gardens High School?
From 2016, yes.
So tell us some of your attributes, like what are you skilled,
Pacey.
You're a pacey forward,
Yes.
loves to score goals.
Give us a target. What's your target for the season? How many goals will you score?
20. The least.
In the league?
Yes.
Alright, and a quick player comparison. Who do you think you play like?
Well, they call me Team Warner, so.
My friend, I don't know if 20 goals is coming from a team, but so speak to us about your season, because the season has already kicked off. How many goals are you on right now?
One.
One goal.
Out of 2.
So you have a long way to go before you catch up to the 20, you know?
Not really.
So you have to see some hat tricks then, basically.
Have your personal aspirations though? Do you aim to take it any higher? Or the Morning Cup is where you find your job? That's where you want to stay.
Always, I never yet settle. So higher is always in my head, always to go high. So yes.
Alright,
But-
coach. So, as you said, you have an affinity for the community. Right? This is your area, right?
Mhm.
One challenge that with some of these boys that you're coaching would face is coming from violent areas where there's trouble, crime, and violence, so on
Yes.
and so forth. Tell me your role in helping some of these individuals from challenged communities to overcome said issues.
It's trust me, that is one of the hardest project. You know what I mean? But it's just to just get these youngsters to just love the sports more, you know, and not afraid to go in none of these community and let them know that football is a way out.
Yeah.
So that is how we really have to reach them. We have to show them that football is a way out. You know what I mean? And not because what they're seeing in the community is totally different from what they're seeing here on the pitch. You understand? So we have to be more command and demand for these youngsters. You understand? Because, and me alone cannot do it, to be honest with you. But I try to get all my coaches involved, as you can see, because we're doing it, and we're doing it because of the love, and we really want to help these youngsters, because we play it, so we know, we take and we know how to go about it. Even though we never reach to the highest level, but we know what it takes to reach to the highest level. You understand? And we have to show them and help them to believe that this is the way out and not the other way.
Give us a player comparison. Who you compare yourself to as a footballer, a professional footballer? Feel Foden.
No
Bro, that's
problem.
why you know these guys are getting young.
Right? Alright, let's talk about your squad. You're the captain. Tell me about the squad that you have. How do you feel about the guys?
It's a young squad, right? Get in there and getting to know each other well, and upcoming team. It's a good team.
We expect better to finish the group strong, first place, target, no less.
Alright. And obviously your coach sent in here, so you'd have been one of the stand-up players and one of the leaders of the team, I assume, right? Speak to us about your leadership roles and responsibility within this team.
Well, you have to get to use in class. Number one, education first.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's a solid answer. Speak to us about your views on education. How are you as a student?
Well, I'm a very good student. You can count on me as a student. My job is to collect the ball and let it go. Keep it moving and motivate the players.
Alright, tell us about a player comparison. Who in the world football you think you play like?
Busquets.
That's the second Busquets comparison.
Not bad. What would success look like? Is it one boy going pro?
Yeah, what are your aims for these boys?
Alright, that is alright. Alright. That is where me and these youngsters like dialogue every single day. I'm gonna try to show them my friends that I have overseas who's involved in professional football right now. So I let them know that here is just a stepping stone. But in order for you to reach there, this is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. You understand? So my aim at all times is to have these youngsters, probably even 15, 14, 16, they don't even have to finish the Manning Cup. From they reach that type of age and can go. Trust me, that's my joy. That's my joy.
Alright, real quick, about this season, speak to us about Tivoli Guard's preparation going into this Manning Cup season.
Well, Tivoli Guard preparation this season, I can honestly tell you that we prepare ourselves. I would have said very well, because we still need help in terms of a whole heap of the department, footwear, nutrition, all these things. I will know everything. It's a combination to get the players them in the right path and the right fitness, and the right mindset. So, but where it lies on the field, they are prepared. That is the reason why they look like that. But to be honest, I would love for them to like stay in a campus. But as I said, financial and all these things is a struggle for us. But it is what it is, and we prepare ourselves and think we are going to do well.
Alright, coach. On the Manning Cup, we spoke to the other team that disappointed about it. Tivoli guys was one of the schools that got disqualified last year.
Yeah.
Can you walk me through that? What exactly happened and how were the boys affected by that decision?
It was just a little misunderstanding with the department of the registration, like the HOD. It's just something that we never knew. Because the youngster who played last season, he's playing now. So it's not like he's an overage player or nothing like that. It's just that he was going to school for like 2 years. So we thought that it's okay for him to just come and play. But apparently it is not that easy. Like how we're thinking, and we never really double check. So we have to stand responsible for that and thing. And yes, the boys, they were very disappointed. Even me was very disappointed because, but it is what it is, and we try to just move on from that.
Alright, coach, and last, you said you were prepared on the field, right?
Mm-hmm.
That brings us to the most important question.
Mm-hmm.
Considering that you're so prepared, how well will Tivoli guard this match?
Can leave that to God.
The people want to answer, coach.
Yeah,
From the head coach, where will Tivoli end up when it's all said and done? Will it be in October? Will it be in November? Will it be in December? Where will Tivoli be when it's all said and done?
The aim is always in the Manning Cup in December. Yes, so that's the final we're aiming. God of God, so you know what I mean? But we are here to put up a fight. Believe me, it's not going to be easy. Understand? It's not going to be easy against Tivoli, and it's not going to be easy for Tivoli to go up against any other school. Understand? But it's a challenge. Trust me. Tivoli is no walkover anymore. I remember, probably you guys are youngsters, don't really know the history like that. Oh, Tivoli was one of those schools where you consider now a JC and the Georges and the KC in terms of Manning Cup. When you're talking about Manning Cup, you're talking about Tivoli, CMJC, KC, certain level, Charlie Smith, you know what I mean? So that is where we're aiming back right now, and it's looking good. So you can look out and see.
Look out for Tivoli Guard High School.
Yeah,
the coach said it himself.
Yeah.
Thank you for talking to us.
Alright, it's a pleasure. Blessings.
So you've been a part of this Tivoli Gardens team for a while.
Yes.
You were a part of the team last year that got disqualified, right?
You can say that, but I reached it late. I was in America.
And how did you see how that affected the team? Can you talk through that as one of the leaders of the team?
Well, last season, could have won the Manning Cup easy. Yeah.
And how many of those boys are still here in this team?
All of us. It's just 2 of the players. It's all.
Alright, so you guys are coming back with a vengeance.
Yes.
Alright, how far you think this team can go? Can you guys win it all?
Yes.
No, man, you have so more confidence. You're not going to say it confident, no matter say it.
Will Tivoli be winning the Manning Cup?
Yeah, win Manning Cup.
Alright. Yeah.
Sure.
100% sure.
Yes, of course. We go through the second round, do our best, and go to the final and win it.
There we go. Well said.
So yes, Rush. That was another feature. As you can see, we're exiting the school right now because we have places to go, we have things to do. But that's right. It was a very, very, very interesting feature.
It was a good one. Yeah? It was a good one. I want to talk about some of the highlights and some of the things that we really picked up from this feature.
Yeah.
So what are the highlights for you?
Well, as you know, we saw the coach, we saw them organized. I love to see that. We saw the relationship with the coach and his boys. We saw the boys together in a brotherhood, like a unit. All of them. And also we saw some good football.
True. I said in the intro that I want to speak to the coach about disqualification.
Yeah.
And one thing I realized, bro, we spoke to the 3 schools that were disqualified. Mona, Camperdown, Tivoli. Right? And all 3 of those schools said the same thing. They just didn't know the rules.
Yeah.
No, schools, you have to do better. You have to know the rules if you're going to play a competition. Know the rule book.
One thing I like especially about this coach, he did not make an excuse.
Not at all.
He took full responsibility. And as a man, as a coach of boys, and as a mentor, as a leader, that's the type of mentality that you want to see passed down to the children. So, enough respect to the coach, and he said he did his research, he got abreast of the rules, and he did it this year.
Great. Another thing is his relationship with the boys. Watch the training session for a bit. I saw a few times where he pulled a couple boys out and spoke to them one on one. He talked about his relationship, to us, with the boys, and I like that. We're having one interview with the second player, and the moment we brought up the coach, his face lit up. I don't know if you saw. So I really like the relationship that the coach has with these boys. And I'm really looking forward to something from Tivoli guys. They were doing well last year. Now, they not been for this qualification, they probably would have been a surprise. Steve, who knows? We didn't expect much from them, but I want to see what the Tivoli guys have to offer this season.
Yeah, so, bro, as I said, we came here, and the first thing that I identified was their matter study enters into one sleep. And we saw that perpetuated on the field. Probably not study, but training. And it's becoming a way of life for them. And you see it reverberated in the way they act, in the way they talk, in the way they move, in the way they play football, in the way they relate to each other.
Yes.
Successful feature.
Yes, I'd say it was a successful feature. I hope you guys enjoy this one. And if you enjoy, just support us. People, for now, this is Sports TV.